Today we're doing an apples-to-apples comparison of the Sport, Off-Road, TRD, and RCI skid plates. The TRD Sport skid plate weighs 7.6 pounds. The TRD off-road components weigh 11.8 pounds. If you are going to install the RCI skid plate, you need to remove the factory mounting bars. Those weigh 4.1 pounds. The aluminum TRD Pro skid plate weighs 28 pounds. The RCI steel skid plate weighs 46.2 pounds. The steel thickness on the factory components is 0.055 inches. The thickness of the TRD Pro plate is 0.28 inches. And the thickness of the RCI is 0.2 inches. The Sport and Off-Road front pieces are exactly the same, and the Off-Road comes with this extra rear piece. Both the TRD and the RCI skid plates come with access panels for the oil filters, as well as access holes for the drain plugs. The TRD skid plate comes with all new hardware already installed. The RCI skid plate reuses bolts for the front 4 mounting points, and then comes with new bolts for the rear. The TRD mounting points use these aluminum sleeves and very long bolts in place of the factory short bolts. The RCI skid plate bolts directly to the frame in the front and has incorporated welded steel mounting points to use the factory bolts in the back. Alright, here's the RCI skid plate installed. Simply uses 4 17mm and 2 14mm bolts, torqued down to 30 foot-pounds. And here's the TRD Pro skid plate installed. It just uses 4 17mm bolts and 2 12mm bolts that are pre-installed. Hopefully this video helps some of you make your decision about what skid plate to buy. If you like the content, please like and subscribe, and check out this next video.